Hey, it's me, Bree again. This is another video I gotta make right here because everybody's talking about Obama and McCain. I'm gonna be honest. I got into politics this year, starting of this year. I voted for Obama. If I could vote, I would vote for Obama because I don't know. I've watched the debates with my parents, and not to sound like a little kid because my parents, but you know, to me, it just shows how even though Obama says it doesn't have experience supposedly, it doesn't matter. Like to me, it's just he's so there's something different about him than any other president I've seen, and it's not that he's black. It's not even that. I've watched the debates, and it's just, I mean, to be honest, look how old McCain is. That boy is old. I mean, look at him. He like what going on 90, about to die, have a heart attack. I mean, who really wants that? You feel me? I mean, everybody said, well, I don't want McCain to win. Well, that's because I live, in Hicktown. No offense to all the people who live where I live. It's just y'all some Hicks. Well, I don't know. And if I could vote for Obama, I would because I feel he has a lot of more things going, like more of what he would do than what McCain does. McCain doesn't really mention a lot about, schools and education. I don't know, and plus I'm not a Republican. That's another minus, because I'm a Democrat. I mean, just like the 30-minute commercial. Oh, I can't even lie. I was like, it shit got me emotional. I mean, I almost cried. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. There ain't no point in lying. But as for McCain, I just think that it's just the same person over and over in office. Everybody is like the same, and I'm just looking for something different. I want something different. And I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you. Pauline, oh my Lord Jesus Christ. Oh God, help her. Cause I'm gonna be honest with you. I think she's stupid. I really do. I mean, okay, we talk about no experience. I mean, she's from Alaska. She always talking about Alaska. I mean, Alaska got a population of what? 300? Oh goodness. I can't deal with it. I mean, 300, and she just keep referring to Alaska like it's New York, or it's California. But that's my view on that. So you can get at that in the comment box too, and tell me some things you don't like or whatever, arguments. We can talk and have a little debate or whatever. But that's it. All right.